Welcome back, everyone. We are back recording together for Campfire Cooking.
Let's go.
No, there's only a couple more episodes left of this season, but you know what? I think we're going to go back to recording together on animes at least. Donghua,
Yeah.
probably going to still just do solo for now, but yeah.
Yeah, anime, we're definitely back together. I mean, for the remaining episode for this season, and then for sure for the upcoming season, we're recording together.
Yep. The what would that be? It's still the winter season, right?
It is a winter season. So yeah, we're in the fall season. We don't think it's fall because
it's
right over here
cold.
where we live, it's fucking cold.
We got the snow.
I was talking to Anya. We fucking skipped fall.
We really did. We really did. So you know what? I'm hoping.
But it's still fall.
Yeah. I guess winter doesn't start for another 2 days. Then we're in the winter.
Yep.
But you ready to get into it, bro? Campfire Cooking, episode 11.
I'm so ready.
We only got 2 more episodes this season.
Go.
Let's do it.
Dude, I'm loving it. Oh, they finally, dude, what a perfect episode to come back together when they reach the sea. The last episode we were react together for Campfire, previous season, they were planning on going to the sea.
Yep. Remember, they were planning on doing another dungeon.
Wait, go back a little. Go back a little to the Kraken or the whatever it was, the squid. No. Can you pause it? No, a little more. Right there.
Look at the dudes.
Is that Luffy? Is that Luffy? And what is it, Zoro?
Yeah. That's what they're doing.
I saw the red. It looks like a vest. I'm like, yeah, that's Luffy. That's Luffy.
Oh man, the Straw Hats are making an
appearance.
Yeah, making an appearance on this. That could be a little call.
It's like a little, yeah.
Call back to One Piece. That's funny. Ooh.
Have they had fish before? I don't think so. I can't remember.
I don't think so, honestly. And if it has, it hasn't been fresh. It's been ordered from the online grocery store.
Yep.
Is it going to be a challenge for them to take down this Kraken?
I don't know. Wait, hey, Phil's excited.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, bring it.
He's got the drool. You cook them right. It's just a big squid, right?
No, that's a feast for the whole town.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Get to it.
Oh, it's got its own magic stove in here already. Nice. The last one did too, I think. It had a nice kitchen.
Yep, I think it did.
What's Hayashi rice?
I have no clue. I don't think I've ever heard of
I
that.
don't think I have either.
Is it like a type of grain, maybe?
Baby. At least you doing.
Damn, every time he cooks, I feel like Felh.
It's like
I get hungry.
It's also right before lunch, or it's lunchtime.
I know.
Well, at least I'll say them all together. Skim off any scum. Wait, is that looks like chocolate.
It does, but that's a curry, huh?
Yeah, I think so. Well, the roux. It's like a gravy.
Oh, hell yeah.
Damn, that looks good, dude. Minotaur and mushroom hayashi rice.
What do you think? What do you think that a restaurant will say if you go and say, "Hey, can I get a Minotaur dish with rice?"
We're like, what are you talking about?
Like campfire cooking? Oh, wait, what the fuck?
It's mythical.
Yeah.
この前のカレーと似てるけど、ハヤシライスって言うんだ。食べてみてくれ。
The last curry episode, I was like, oh man, I bet Leon hates that.
You know, but it looked delicious.
I mean, curry looks
to be
great.
fair.
I mean, I love it too, but I was like, you know, Leon probably wouldn't like the taste of that though.
I don't think I've ever tried curry.
You gotta try it sometime.
I've tried other, I don't know India, but I've tried Pakistani food. It wasn't my favorite. But I mean, I could give curry a try. It's pretty famous.
Oh yeah. There's a bunch of different types too.
深いコクっていうのは伊達じゃないね。ブロッコリーの歯ごたえもアクセントとしてちょうどいい。はいよ。
Do you think there's gonna be ever a meal that they won't like?
Oh, there's no way. There's no way. I love Dora's belly when he eats. Dora always looks so fat. Look at that food.
Looks adorable.
The food baby.
今あんなに食べたのに？
食後にデザートは基本だな。
何が基本なんだよ。
Pudding, pudding.
Yeah, Dora-chan loves pudding.
まあ、明日はクラーケン退治で頑張ってもらうし。よし、デザート出すか。
He's like, all right.
Let's do it.
I like how this season he's like been completely forgetting the gods and goddesses to send desserts and food and like beer and whatever to them.
That's true.
It's kind of good because I don't really see the point of them too much right now, other than giving their blessings.
Just the blessings, but I mean, we don't really see it working.
No.
Like on the very, like on the background, you know. Oh.
It's like, okay.
Oh, he's coming.
Ride Sui. Wait. What did he do? Lightning magic from atop a cliff to attack the kraken below in the sea.
Oh, let's go.
Well, there ain't no cliffs around here.
No.
So what about this time? He's like, yeah, you got me
like,
there.
hey.
That is a good point.
That's a good point.
By boat? Have you never heard of a boat?
He wasn't liking too much on Felh. Felh didn't think this through.
What if Sui gets giant? Can Sui float?
Ooh, hey. They can
They'll ride
go on top
Sui out
of
to sea.
Sui.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was gonna say, there's no way they're gonna say yes.
They're like, sorry. They're not risking their boat against the kraken. Oh, he's got a little boat. Oh, here it is. Here, I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it.
Yeah, you called it, dude. Damn.
They're like, wait a minute, Sui, he can float.
Huh.
Oh my gosh. The next scene is them just riding Sui. Yep.
Hey, were you on the writing team for this episode or something? Oh, I love how the voice changes depending on the size.
That's so funny. His big voice just cracks me up.
Yeah.
How are they gonna find the kraken though? There's a lot of open waters here.
I don't know.
Oh. According to his presence, the kraken should be up ahead. He just knows. I'm fully aware. Don't worry. Underneath. Oh, so Sel can.
It's coming. It's coming. Come on.
How big is this thing?
Oh,
it's behind.
It's gonna be tiny. It's gonna be tiny.
You think so?
Just wait.
That's not tiny.
Oh no, never mind. Never. I thought it was gonna be like a baby.
There it is. That's a kraken. Were you expecting that? Oh wait, what the hell is that?
Oh my god!
And a dragon thing?
They're fighting. They're fighting.
Bro, he's gonna bring both of these back too.
Yes. Yes.
Sea serpent. Oh, the ink.
Oh, he's ugly.
Holy shit.
Jesus.
What the fuck?
How no? Dude,
I
how is
turned
Felh
into a
gonna bring
kaiju.
those?
What'd you say?
No. There's no way they can take both. What? Game.
Right? Both of them.
No way.
No way. They're just defeated that easily, right?
I understand the other beasts, but this is two kaijus.
I know. They float right
How?
up, bro. I'm sure the magic attacks flowed through them easily.
I guess. Let's go with that.
Do we want to beat him up the sheet?
Oh.
Dude,
Yeah.
cracks me up.
Sue was OP here.
Oh my gosh.
Jeez.
How's that going into your item box?
Oh shit.
Oh no,
shit.
something else?
It's not over. It's not over.
Oh lord, what the fuck is that?
Oh my god.
It came to eat.
My god.
It came to eat.
Oh my god.
No, my kraken.
Yeah, they're not taking that down.
Everyone's cracking. You can't.
no.
Oh shit.
Wait. No. It went through. It went through.
Oh my gosh. So now they're going to have the
Oh,
kraken,
shit.
the sea serpent, and whatever the hell this thing is. An Alaskan bullworm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big ass fish. You were amazing, Sui. Oh my gosh.
That was incredible.
What?
What the
Edible.
fuck? Oh yeah. That's coming back.
Yeah.
Edible. Both. No, it said edible.
It did. It did.
What? What? How fucking big is that thing?
And they're done. Huh?
Oh!
Say, hey, we're here.
He
We've
said
done it.
hello.
魚に釣られてシーサーペントやクラーケンがやってきてさらにクラーケンたちに釣られてアスピドケロンまでやってきたと
Yep.
でそんな奴らをあっという
So
間に
you defeated all of them.
聞いてるだが本当に桁違いだ
He should be like rank SS or
Oh, I
something.
know.
僕らの魚と変わらんそれにしてもフレはどうしたてっきり借りに来ると思ってたが
Huh? He had a boat. So we didn't need Sui this whole time.
冒険者ギルドだからな
Oh well. It was better to ride Sui
Yeah.
anyways.
Because I was gonna say, Sui's better because he has defense.
Mm-hmm.
He can actually do something to
That
defend.
boat would have been wrecked.
こいつが
Right.
クラーケンか
Huh.
Fucking hell.
お前らこの後にはシーサーペントとアスピドケロンも控えてる
They're like, wait, what?
海の魔物は鮮度を
Freshness is the key. Makes sense. They
Get
got a
to
whole
it.
army.
Chop, chop.
本当にいいのかお前んとこの10万
私たちだけで食べきるには大きすぎますし漁師の皆さんにも力をつけてもらいたくて
まあシーサーペントやアスピドケロンも手に入ったし多少分けてやらんこと
I do not mind sharing some.
Oh.
皆さんも一緒にイカをじゃなくてクラーケン食べましょう
Hell yes.
食うのクラーケンをそうと決まれば早速始めるぞ
Yeah.
Oh my
Don't question
God.
it. Just eat it.
Holy shit.
Oh
What are
my
those?
gosh.
There's like eggs. What the hell are those blue
I don't
things?
know.
Oh my
Scales?
gosh, dude.
I don't know.
Them just
Look at
sleeping.
that.
少し準備があるので待っていてもらえますか。終わったら
Yeah, how are you gonna cook all of this?
And then I'm
You need
hoping
a
everyone.
massive stove.
Yeah, they're gonna huge ass grill. What's he doing?
あるけどさすがに買い足さなきゃな。酒、みりん、醤油、それに
Sake.
What is he making here?
タレはこれでよし。
Jesus.
Dude, Mukouda's about to become the most famous person in the whole,
I
you know,
know.
this world.
あとはしっかり火を通す。
Not only he got 3 big ass monsters from the sea, he's about to cook them in a very spectacular way. Oh, of course, of
Oh,
course.
the massive fucking
Why did-
grill.
Yep.
Jesus. He's like,
火加減ってもんがあんの。
just dude. Oh, is Sui cooking?
Oh,
He's gonna burn it up.
That was Felh.
Oh, Fell. Yeah, Fell. Sorry.
よーし焼けたぞ。
Oh,
Oof, that looks crispy.
that
I
does
kinda
look
want some.
crispy. It's a meal for everyone.
Dig in.
Drink your fill
let's
today.
go.
We're getting fucked up tonight, boys.
For sure. With like a barrel per person.
Sui.
忘れてた。イカ焼きにはマヨと七味がないとな。
Mayo. What?
Oof,
I've
yes,
never put
yes.
mayo on squid before, but that's
We might need to
interesting.
try
I
that.
didn't- yeah, I didn't know that was
I
a
don't think I've
thing.
ever tried squid.
It's not
I-
bad. It's not my favorite, but
さあ召し上がれ。
What I'm worried about squid is the texture.
yeah, it's
Not
a
the
little,
flavor,
it
the
can be a little
texture.
rubbery.
どうぞ。
Yeah.
大丈夫です。味は保証しますんで。
Come on. You're a seaman. You gotta eat it.
It's the best thing I've ever had in my life. Jeez.
And the party has started.
Yeah. Dig in.
外で食べるイカ焼きに酒。
This is the life. That's great. I love that.
香ばしくて良いではないか。赤い粉もピリッとしてうまいぞ。
See how rubbery it is, though?
Definitely not for me. Not for me. Looks good, but nope.
I'm sure it tastes great.
タレの甘辛さと生姜の風味がよく合ってる。これは酒が進むぜ。
おお、兄ちゃん。
お、
あんたのおかげでまた漁に出れる。感謝してもしきれない。
Hell yeah. He's revived the town.
はい。乾杯。
Let's go.
Bye.
Oh, shit.
よし。メラ
Thought a chance belly again.
Wait, did they go out fishing? Isn't it the evening at this point?
They can take like a whole week off with all the fish they have.
That's what I'm saying. Although most of that's probably being kept by...
Mukouda? I don't think so.
Mukouda.
Well, maybe.
ベルレアンの漁師は屈強ですね。
そらそうよ。こうでなきゃ海の男は伝わらねえ。次の朝市を楽しみにするといい。普段のベルレアンの市場はそりゃ活気に溢れてるからな。
おお。
Ooh.
それは
Going to
楽
the
しみで
fish
す。
market tomorrow morning.
Are
Is
you
that
gonna
going to
see
be
that
the
this episode?
finale, then?
No.
Yeah, I was going to say, that'll be the
Well,
finale
Yeah. Last episode.
of this season, yeah.
では3日後の護衛依頼、確かにお受けしました。
よろしくお願いします。
Oh, wait, this is the one merchant.
I think it was in the first town, right? That we
Yeah.
visited this season.
街を出る前にうちの店でワイバーンのマントとベルト、靴を注文されていますから。
Ivory cloak, belt,
も
and
う少し
shoes.
したら取りに戻られるはずですよ。
We'll see about that. Hopefully.
うちの職人にとっても一世一代の大仕事です。
This is great.
また会えるのが楽しみですね。
Oh, everyone loves him.
I'm telling you, man, he's becoming, a renowned name all around the old towns.
It's funny though, because when this show first started, like, he did not want to be somebody. He was like, I just want to live my life peacefully. Don't want anyone to know me. I don't want to ruffle any feathers. And nope, that's the opposite of what has happened.
Yep. I mean, the moment he started cooking,
Yeah,
Felh immediately were like, "Yeah, what are you doing? Give me some of that."
It's like let's what better way to draw attention to yourself than having a freaking Fenrir as your yeah the Fenrir as your familiar, and now the freaking slime, and now Dora-chan as well, the Fey dragon or whatever. Holy shit.
I will say this is probably one of my favorite episodes. Both seasons.
Good. Yeah. I think I've enjoyed season 2 more than season 1.
Mm-hmm.
Just because I think we had that dungeon. I really liked the dungeon episodes.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah, and I thought they had said they were planning on doing another one, so I don't know when that's going to happen, but...
That was last town, but they didn't do it. I think because Mukouda's... I don't know, maybe they're going to go back now that they've been to the sea, because Mukouda said, no, we said we're going to go to the sea.
Yeah, so let's do that first.
So they went to the sea. I mean, they can always go back, right, to town and complete the dungeon.
Well, I know they're...
both... The three Felhs, Dora-chan, and Suya wanted to complete the dungeon.
Yeah, they did. But I do know what they said. They wanted to go to the sea, and then I guess they're gonna have to go back at some point because he's got to pick up his wyvern.
Yep.
Like all that stuff. But next episode, they said we're getting the fish market, so I can't imagine that's gonna be the whole episode, right?
No, maybe half of it. They make a meal like normal, and then they go out for another adventure.
And they go back, and then season 3 will be maybe another dungeon to start. I don't really know. I don't know. Whatever. It's been exciting though. I've liked this season a lot. Thank you everyone for watching this episode of Campfire Cooking with us. If you enjoyed our reaction, please remember to like and subscribe.
To the next one.
Bye everyone.
Bye.